Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Riley Reid Masturbator by Fleshlight Girls. So let's get started. So this is the masturbator itself. It has a firm outer case here which provides a really good grip and a very discreet look as well. If we remove the cap, it reveals the masturbator on the inside. Now this fleshlight is a replica of Riley Reid's vagina, and if we remove the sleeve from the casing we can have a look at this in more detail. So the material is stretchy, flexible, and is very soft and smooth to the touch. It's made of a special super skin material that looks and feels very realistic. If we have a look on the inside of the sleeve, it has ribs and nubs which provide extra stimulation during use. Now when using the Riley Reid, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the sleeve after every use using either toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. Make sure the sleeve is completely dry before using again, and to avoid the material sticking together, you can use the drying stick provided. Simply pop it all the way through, and this prevents the material from sticking together. A top tip before using this fleshlight, you can pop it in warm water and have it warm for extra sensations. Also included is a Fleshlube personal water-based lubricant. And that is the Riley Reid Masturbator by Fleshlight Girls. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.